Hi guys, this is Bhaskar. I am actually CEO and MD of Sai Vicon Marketing Consultancy Services Private Limited. So I was just talking about my mission and vision. So now I am actually talking about the company. So the company is basically a marketing consultancy services private limited. So we are actually into education, environment and electronics. Now I am solely focusing on education and environment. In education, I am actually into CA, ACCA and CPA, that is Chartered Accountancy courses, not just the Indian Chartered Accountancy course which you are aware of. So Indian CA at this moment is not actually so very buoyant as far as the international companies are concerned. For example, Big Four audit firms, they prefer ACCAs and CPAs instead of Indian CAs. So in fact, the International Chartered Accountancy course has a very wide scope and the pass percentage is also fantastic. So in fact, you will find that students are having a pass percentage of about 40 to 45% in International Chartered Accountancy courses. For example, in ACCA, I am associated with one of the topmost gold approved institute in Bangalore, which has a pass percentage of 86%. So students will have wonderful benefits if they get associated with Sai Vicon, because Sai Vicon in itself is associated in this education sector more deeply, and I am actually not only constraining myself to chartered accountancy courses or international chartered accountancy courses. I can place any student abroad for graduation and post graduation, and they will get enormous benefits because they are going to go to places not only for education but also for work. So they can actually be placed in various top companies, apart from having world-class education in Europe, UK, US, Australia, New Zealand, etc. So I am actually in abroad placements as well as CA, ACCAs and CPAs. So apart from all these things, I am actually into musical education. Of late, I have also signed an MOU for a musical school, international school. So people who wants to aspire in musical field can definitely get into Sai Vicon. So apart from this education field, I am also into environment, wherein I am actually associated with solar power. So solar power is something which is absolutely growing drastically now, and in solar power, I am actually into taking the quotations from customers, and since I am actually tied up with the suppliers. 4 to 5 suppliers are there for Sai Vicon already, so I can ensure that the customer gets the best product at the best price. So that is as far as the environment is concerned. I am actually into solar power as well as renewable resources, wherein I am actually associated with companies who can actually make sure that the wastes are converted into manure. Wet waste can be converted into manure. So there are so many aspects in Sai Vicon. Apart from education and environment, I am also actually associated with electronics, wherein I am going to get into the upcoming and booming sector, that is 5G. So the 5G mobile phones are going to be associated with, and apart from all these things, I am actually getting associated with various other companies for marketing, whole and solely in marketing. So anybody who will walk into Sai Vicon will definitely find that there are more smiles per hour, and they will find that they can shape up their career in more than one way. Thank you so much, guys.